Hello everyone. If you are in the wrap game or trying to break in, listen up. TeckWrap is looking for serious dealers. And when I say serious, I mean people who want more than just a discount on film. We are talking full access to our entire product lineup, color changes, paint protection, print films, window tints, everything you need to serve your customers and to grow your shop. When you join in as an official TeckWrap dealer, you're not just buying film. You get competitive wholesale pricing, marketing materials, sample books. You get the tech support and early access to new drops before the general public even know that they exist. And if you do well, we are talking expanded territory, exclusive distributor status. This is a long-term partnership, not a one-time shipment. Here's the thing, we protect our pricing, we protect our brand, and we protect our partners. If there's already a distributor in your area, we coordinate with them. No chaos, just structure. So if you got the space, the sales drive, and the vision, apply today at TeckWrap.com. Let's build something that lasts.